Minsan talaga may araw ang hirap bumangon. Puyat dahil sa mga bata. Minsan puyat dahil sa pagod sa trabaho. Minsan naman dahil sa mga Korean novelang pinapanood ni Mrs. o si Vicenzo Casano. Ang puyat ay para lang din ng mga ordinaryong mga problema yan sa buhay. Dumarating, minsan hindi naiiwasan. Pero katulad ng lahat ng mga problema, lahat ito may solusyon. So, sa araw ng meron tayong puyat na nararamdaman, minsan ang ating solusyon lang dito ay uminom ng kape para mabuhay ng dugo at makatulong sa paggising nating ulurat. Ngayon, hindi ko papakita sa inyo kung paano mag-prepare ng kape gamit ng tinatawag natin na mga typical is the 3-in-1. I'll be showing you today kung paano ko pinaprepare ang aking coffee brew for my daily morning routine. So, this may not be exactly the same sa mga coffee shops na binibili natin, but at least I get to have a coffee brew na hindi sing mahal, and at the same time, I can have the same benefits. Teka, sayang yan. I'd like to show to you guys kung anong equipment ang ginagamit ko to prepare my morning routine of my coffee brew. So, naiiwasan nito sa paggamit ng medyo tedious, which is yung pandikdik. So, instead, I'll be using this equipment, who is the Gemilai electric coffee grinder. It comes with 150 watts power, so para siyang katumbas ng dalawang electric fan sa bahay. This equipment comes with 3 pieces, a safety cover to cover the top part, a cleaning brush para linisin pagtapos na sa pag-grind, and lastly, of course, the canister or the body of the equipment. The design is pretty much straightforward, so very minimalist siya. Wala na masyadong mga abubot, and as you can see, wala na ganong mga ibang extra designs or what. So this is all made of plastic. On the lower part of the equipment, meron kayong makikitang securing point para sa mga wire. So you can just roll it out if you want to and roll it back if isi-secure na. It also comes with one piece of button, and this is to turn on the equipment. Now, inside is made of hard aluminum. Ang isang gusto ko dito sa equipment na to is that wala kang makikitang mga screw that pwedeng doon ma-stuck yung mga debris ng coffee na pwedeng mag-cause din ng rust. Another good feature of this equipment is that meron siyang tinatawag na kill switch. If hindi mo sinara ng maayos yung ating cover, hindi mo mabubuksan or rather to turn on yung equipment, thus na-avoid natin yung mga bagay na pwedeng mag-cause ng harm if there's any unsafe act. There are numerous types of coffee beans that can be bought in the local market. Pero sa akin, I'm only using 2 types of coffee beans at the moment. That is the Arabica coffee bean, which is my base coffee, and also the vanilla coffee bean, which is my aromatic, meaning yan yung nagkikreate ng amoy. So there are many other, merong mga butterscotch, merong caramel, and etc. Pero ito lang po ang ginagamit ko at the moment. Now, I'm going to show you what equipment you need to use, which is the hot water, the coffee beans, the sugar cream, and siyempre yung what? Okay, let's recap kung anong kailangan nila. So basically guys, nasa sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo, but you need a French press, a sugar and cream, the grinder, the coffee beans, and of course, the hot water. Kung gaano katagal kailangan i-grind ang beans, I think it's up to your personal preferences. But for me, I would recommend you go by the ear, and that depends on your experience sa paggamit. One of the things that I really like about this equipment is napakadali niyang linisin. You just need a paper towel at tanggalin nyo lang yung mga naiwang debris and you're good to go. I forgot to mention na lahat pala ng coffee beans ko ay binibili ko sa Mahogany Market ng Tagaytay. So you can find there many shops na nagbebenta ng mga coffee beans nila. The amount of water they would like to use for their coffee grind, it's entirely up to you. Nasa sa inyo yan, you have to test it out yourself kung gaano katapang yung gusto nyo. On my case, I would like to recommend na lagyan nila ng marking ang kanilang French press kung how many water should be sa level ng isang tao. So ayan ang aking paalala sa sarili ko para hindi ako mag-overshoot. Now, let's use of course our sugar and cream, and again, that's entirely up to you how strong you would like the sweet and the creaminess of your coffee. So, let's pour it in. Now, pautot lang to sa akin, gusto ko lang ginaganyan kasi nakikita ko sa TV. So, bahala na kayo kung gusto nyong gayahin. Now, my mother always tells me na kapag binili mo yan, dapat sagarin mo yung gamit kasi bayad yan. So, make sure you maximize every drip of the coffee. So, yan. Pasensya nyo na po, masinop lang talaga po ako. So, okay, I think it's already high and dry at pwede na nating inumin ang ating sarap na brewed coffee. To all plantitas and plantitos, I have good news for you. The coffee grind na nagamit nyo would not necessarily have to be thrown. You can use this as your plant's fertilizer. Yes, your plant's fertilizer, you can just simply put it in the plant's pots and let it be the plant's nutrients. I like the taste of milk. As a father of Mac, I use it on my cereal. When it comes to my coffee, I use this even better. Now, does that sound ring a bell? So sa mga taga 90s dyan, you might have still recall na yun yung mga pinaka-famous advertisements na makikita nyo sa TV when we were still young. So as you get to enjoy your coffee guys, make this opportunity to recapitulate with yourself and on yung mga plano na gagawin natin sa mga future plans to the increase and improvement and progress of our lives. Basically, all coffee grinders are all the same. Nagvavary na lang sila sa materials ng pagkakagawa and of course the sturdiness and the reliability. Well, what I can say, 2 years ako na siyang ginagamit and it has been working for me really well. I know guys, you have been through a lot at hindi naging madali ang buhay para sa atin. Things have been really rough because of the pandemic at marami sa atin na may kanya-kanyang mga naging pagsubok along the way. But I want you to always remember na lahat ng mga paghihirap may simula, pero lahat din yan may hangganan. I know you're tired, alam ko hirap ka na, but always remember lang sa payo kong ibibigay sa inyo. And that's tayo lang kapatid, kaya mo yan, you can do it, I believe in you. Huwag kang susuko, tuloy lang ang laban, may bukas pa. Thank you guys for watching.